Okay, so today we're going to talk about the area of a trapezoid. And it's very similar to the area of a parallelogram with one big difference. This part right here. So, because a trapezoid will never have equal length bases, because if you draw a height down here, it has to be parallel to the two bases. Since you can never have a trapezoid with equal bases, we have to take the average of the bases. So we're going to take 1/2 b1 plus b2, which is how we are going to find the average, and then we multiply it by the perpendicular height, just like we do in a parallelogram. So now we're going to go into an example. Find the area. So this is our height, and it's been drawn in for us. So our height is 4, base 1 is 6, base 2 is 10. So area is equal to 1/2 6 plus 10 times 4. Now, these parentheses right here are really important. You have to add the two bases together before you can multiply it. So it's 1/2 6 plus 10 is 16 times 4. A is equal to 1/2 times 16 is 8 times 4. So our area is 32. So this trapezoid is a little bit different. The leg of this trapezoid just happens to be perpendicular to this base. So we don't have to draw in a height because this is already our height. So h is equal to 4, base 1 is equal to 6, base 2 is equal to 8. So even though we don't have to draw in a height, our area formula is going to be the exact same. 1/2 b1 plus b2 times 4. So a is equal to 1/2 6 plus 4 is 14 times 4. 1/2 of 14 is 7 times 4. The area is equal to 27. I'm sorry, that should be 28. But this time they give us units, so we have to make sure we put millimeters squared. So that's all we're going to do with trapezoids. But in the next lesson, we're going to start talking about circumferences of a circle, which is kind of like the perimeter of a polygon. So make sure you come back and watch that.